Let's talk to Tim Harrison. He's the head of wealth management at Linear Investments. Very good morning to you, young Tim.
Good morning.
Right, normally we talk about Merger Monday. What's happened this weekend?
Well, the main news, I suppose, this morning is that CYBG have upped their offer for Virgin Money this morning. It was reported over the weekend, and it's not really been kept a secret, to be quite frank with you. So it's obviously a heightened, higher offer. The market's sort of treating it relatively calmly at the moment. So we'll see what the next couple of weeks bring with that. They have extended the deadline to the 18th of June. So again, it's a case of consolidation within the smaller financial space, which has been the modus operandi for the last 1 or 2 years.
Yeah. In terms of last week, quite chaotic.
Well, it's been up then down, then up then down. I mean, Tuesday you had potential European meltdown with the Italian situation. Wednesday we come into work and they're saying that everything's going to be okay. We're going to sort out our finance minister, etc. Thursday, Trump decides to wade in with his tariffs. And then Friday, it's a case of, well, there's nothing, no bad news. No one's punching anyone in the head. So let's just get on with it. As we were talking about off air, it would appear that at the moment the market seemed relatively intrigued with what's going on. A case of looking at balance sheets, I would suggest, of the financials to see how much debt they do own of here, that various different parties within the eurozone. But the market's slightly higher this morning, so it would suggest that people are buying the dips.
Okay. In terms of companies reporting this week, what are your
Well, again, in terms of economic data and in terms of company data, it's a relatively quiet week. I would suggest back end of the week, auto traders one to look out for. Obviously, a lot of these tech online stocks have been relatively interesting the last couple of weeks with the Zoopla bid coming in,
yep,
and also the Ocado deal, which isn't so much a tech company or internet-based company. It's more the infrastructure behind. But auto traders want to watch out for. Other than that, you've got some European figures, some US productivity figures later in the week, but nothing really to get too excited about. So it's a case of whether or not Donald Trump keeps his lips sealed, whether he decides to pick a fight with someone else, or not really. But then obviously the next couple of weeks the World Cup kicks off, so every trader will be watching how far England can't go.
On that note, young Tim, thank you very much indeed.